SMS continues to work because it fits how people actually communicate. Messages are short, direct, and seen quickly. When businesses use SMS well, it feels personal and helpful rather than promotional. The difference between average SMS results and strong ones usually comes down to structure, timing, and intent. In this video, we'll walk through a simple framework you can use to optimize your SMS marketing so messages drive engagement, responses, and real outcomes across any industry. One simple way to improve SMS performance is to use a clear flow for your messages. One flow you can use is the 4C flow: connect, confirm, coach, and continue. Connect. Send messages that create warmth and clarity. Messages that welcome people in or check in when someone pauses. Confirm. Confirm style messages reduce friction. They are friendly reminders that make it easy to take the next step or reschedule. Coach. Send messages that add real value. These messages use small prompts that invite replies and turn SMS into a two-way conversation. Continue. Keep momentum going. Send messages that re-engage people based on progress or an activity and guide them forward without pressure. When SMS follows this kind of flow, your messages can feel intentional instead of random. Why this approach works. High-performance SMS campaigns are designed to feel human, even when automated. Multiple operators shared the same insight. The best results did not come from clever promotions. It came from messages that felt part of an ongoing relationship. Messages that reference what someone has already done, where they are in their journey, or what they might need next consistently see higher response and engagement. This is what optimization really means in SMS. Not sending more messages, but sending messages that clearly belong. Let's talk more about SMS that coaches. SMS becomes far more effective when messages invite a response. Instead of one-way announcements, high-performing campaigns use low-friction prompts like yes, done, or question. These small replies do two things. They keep people engaged, and they give you insight into what your audience actually needs. Lisa Richards, creator of the Canada Diet, reports seeing an impressive 38% response rate on these types of messages. If a message requires effort to respond to, people will probably skip it. If replying takes one word, they're much more likely to engage. Personalized by context, not just by name. As we all know, another key aspect of SMS marketing optimization is personalization. And as we also know, personalization is not adding a first name to a message. So what does it look like with SMS? Real personalization comes from context, where someone is in their journey, what they've completed, what they've missed. With SMS, that might mean sending onboarding messages to new subscribers, accountability messages to active users, and re-engagement messages to people who have gone quiet. Segmenting your audience by behavior and stage allows each message to feel relevant without increasing send volume. Automation via an SMS provider helps manage this at scale, but your brand voice should always sound personal. Measuring what actually matters. So how do you tangibly measure your organization efforts? To know whether your SMS marketing is optimized, you need a few clear metrics. Response rate shows whether your SMS feel relevant. Opt-out rate shows whether frequency and content are aligned with expectations. Click-through and conversion rates show whether your call to action is clear. J.R. Ferris from Account Talent says, if there's high engagement in a campaign but poor conversion, it means the offer isn't clear, not that the system failed. So keep a close eye on those analytics. And when optimizing, small adjustments, tested one at a time, may produce the biggest gains. The bottom line, SMS will likely work best when it feels like support, not promotion. Focus on clarity, relevance, timing, and conversation. Each message has a purpose and each interaction builds continuity. If you want to improve your SMS results, start small. Choose one message type from the 4C framework of connect, confirm, coach, and continue. Test it with a segment, track the outcome, and refine from there. When the right message reaches the right person at the right moment, SMS could become one of the most dependable channels in your marketing mix. Try out SMS marketing for 14 days free with mobile text alerts using the link in the description.